Archana from Calligraphy Faculty of Passion Chasers. I am from Faridabad and I am currently pursuing my graduations in Bachelor's of Physiotherapy from Jamia Hamdard. Calligraphy is a kind of music, not for the ears but for the eyes. It, in simple language, is a beautiful way of handwriting and is of various types like brush calligraphy, pencil calligraphy, force calligraphy, copper plate calligraphy, etc. I am into brush and pencil calligraphy since the last 4 to 5 years and I am teaching the same since the last 2 years. When I was young, I was very interested in doing creative things, writing attractive headlines, etc. I love to do art, but I wasn't sure that which part of art I loved the best. One day, I was introduced to the term calligraphy through one of my friends, and I was fascinated by the concept of calligraphy. And I was so interested that I decided to learn calligraphy. So I joined an online calligraphy course, and I still remember it was during my 10th pre-board. I attended it with one calligraphy pen and few A4 sheets. And today here I am specialized in brush and pencil calligraphy with a truckload calligraphy supplies in my stationery. Little did I know that my interest in writing attractive headings will turn into my passion one day. After joining my college, I started taking workshops at various institutes in Delhi. But then lockdown happened and I wasn't able to take workshops anymore. So I decided to go for online calligraphy courses. I took online calligraphy courses for all ages, from teachers to students to parents, for everybody. And now I am specialized in brush and pencil calligraphy and has an experience of teaching to all age, be it 5, 15 or 45. Recently, I met the team of Passion Chasers, and as I got to know them, I realized that they are the best platform to learn a passion or to build your passion into a profession. These days, I am teaching calligraphy with Passion Chasers with a perfect monthly package. So, this was my story of how I turned my passion into my profession with the help of Passion Chasers. If you want to learn a passion or build your passion into a profession, Passion Chasers is the right place for you. Thank you.